everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So in this video we'll be showing you some interior designs for your houses. So you can arrange the beds. If you don't like, you can take an empty space and now color the back wall. Now on the one side you can make the bed like this. Make the bed on the thin way like as shown in the video. Now on the upper side or on the other side of the bed you can make the wardrobe like this. So arrange them in a line. You can put the blankets and dresses like this and then cover it. Now on the leftover side of the house or the room, you can put a bookshelf like this or a study table for the works like this. Arrange the desktops on them and then put the AC on the top, and your small cute room is almost ready. You can also watch the interior ideas here. So if you have a drawing room like this, you can put the almirah on the top, and then you can put a TV shelf and the drawers inside it. You can leave a small space under it so that it looks elegant. You can put the TV on the back wall like this, arrange it. Further, it can be you can color the wall and then put the drawers like this and arrange it. Now you can make these stands and hinges and then put the drawers. Now put a big LED TV like this and it's good to go. Next, we are showing you some room ideas. So you can make the drawers on the back and put the bed like this. Now on the back wall, you can make a wardrobe, and on the side you can make a shelf and a bookshelf like this. You can get your work done there. You can make a wardrobe near it. In this big room, we can make the drawer like this. You can put the clothes inside it, and above it you can make a bookshelf. Now near it you can make a wardrobe, and then beside it you can put the bed like this, and your room is good to go. Thanks for watching our video.